Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody posted this on Facebook and wanted to know how to get rid of the word so they could use other words or just use a blank screen. The file, I just copied it off Facebook. The file at the bottom, for the one I'm doing it for, I took out your name. The file said PNG. If it's a PNG, so this is going to be a two-part. If it's not a PNG, I redrew it pretty quickly. Well, but I'm going to show you how to do that in part two. If the file is a PNG, let's make a duplicate of it. And actually what I'm going to do too, I'm going to turn this into well, I guess I can't even transparent it yet until I trace it. So I'm not going to do that. But I'm just going to take my 2-point or 3-point curve line, and I'm not going to take a lot of time to be perfect, but I'm just going to kind of match up these lines. And like I said, I mean, if you were doing this for real, you'd want to take a little bit more time. If it is a PNG, you should be able to, I mean, the color should be splotchy like they are in my copy. I'm going to go ahead and go all the way across. Then I'm going to go from there to there and make my part of my wheel. I've got a little bit of a node cursor problem there. Let's change that back. And like I said, I'm not going to take a lot of time to do this. Let's take the 2-point curve line again and go here and just kind of grab all that. We'll fix that in just a minute. I'm still using the 3-point curve line, but I'm just double clicking on it. And you want that to be solid. For some reason, I've got a little handshake going on and putting a little curve to it at the end. And like I said, I'm not taking a lot of time. I would if this was mine. And if it is a PNG, which is normally a pretty good file to do stuff like this. And you know, for the video, well, I'm going to go ahead and do it. Let's take this and add some nodes by double clicking and then bring this in. Okay, see how that happens? So I need to turn all these, right click and turn them into a cusp. And then when I do that, the other lines will not move. So like I said, I'm not going to waste a lot of time doing this. So let's just call that good. And if all our lines are connected, I'm just going to take that red and fill it in. Now I'm going to move it out of the way. And I'm going to take my logo and move it over. Well, I'm going to grab my lines. I'm going to take my logo and that leaves these lines. Sorry. It doesn't matter. It's on Facebook. And I got one more line there I think I can delete. And there you have a pretty defined me. If I did a little bit better job, I've still got some lines. Let's move that over. Take away that line, take away that line, and then move this back. That'll work. But stay tuned for part 2, and I'll completely vectorize it. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.